Hello and welcome to Tutorial Module 1, Section 3C. This is our third meeting in the multi-user virtual environment. In this tutorial, we're going to break off together into small groups and practice going up and down stairs while continuing to learn how to use camera controls to see the avatar from different views and to take more photos during our travels while seeing different areas of the island. First, make sure that you have the camera controls on. The camera controls should be in this area here. And if they are not, left click on Avatar, click on Camera Controls, and you'll see the camera controls. I'm going to move them up so that they're nice and clear. To help you navigate stairs, we're going to be visiting Gazebo Towers. And for this video, we're going to be in the Gazebo Tower in the Parent and Child Development area. So to get to this Gazebo Tower, please click on your world map. And then I'm dragging the island over. We're going to double left click here at the end of this pool. And this will take us to our Gazebo Tower. So in front of you, you'll see the large tower. On either side, two smaller gazebos with poof chairs and fires. Your classmates can sit in the chairs around the fires and have some conversations while each one of you goes one by one up into the stairwell. The stairwell, I think, will get too congested if there are too many people. So stand in front of the stairs, and while holding on your up arrow on your keyboard, start tapping on the left arrow. And you'll see that you will continue to go up. So make sure you hold down on the up arrow, tap on the left arrow. I'm tapping. You can hold down on them, but it goes a little too fast and he gets disoriented. There we are. I'm at the top. So you'll see a fair down below, and that'll be our last meeting for this first module. And as I'm walking around looking out, I'm looking out at some tree houses. There's a club with a big pool behind it. There's the ocean, which is our boundary for the island. And while you're up here, please take some pictures of yourself. And to do that, and what we're going to practice doing in this tutorial is to use your camera to move around. So you'll want to use the arrows in the circle to move your camera around. You can zoom in a little bit more on your avatar, and then don't forget to take a picture. So click on your camera and click Save. I'm going to save this to my desktop. And enjoy taking some photos of yourself. Perhaps maybe looking out at the fair. When you're done, you'll go back to the stairwell, the down arrow, and the right arrow on your keyboard. I love the, and take some pictures of yourself while you're walking down too if you'd like. Take a break, enjoy it. There's some nice views. The gazebos around the island have some nice views out of them of the resources. I need to pay attention here. And then when you get to the bottom, please go out. Have a seat. So left click on it. Poof. Have a seat. And enjoy talking to your classmates. And again, you get nice views of your classmates and their avatars by using your camera angles. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.